Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today, we're going to do a taste test review. Now, remember me saying a while back and many times I thought I had, I did a video on cooked oysters in a can? Well, these are actually raw, fresh, raw oysters from the ocean. From the Pacific Ocean. And I'm getting ready to do a taste test on these. Dad had actually found these at our local Ingles supermarket store. And I'm getting ready to do a taste test on these. And of course, I am going to put some Tabasco hot sauce on these as well. So I'm gonna dedicate this. I'm gonna dedicate this video to Red from Redheaded Writinghood, because since we're not gonna actually get to meet up like we had planned at the beach, at the North Carolina beach. Because there was going to be a motel that was going to serve raw oysters. But I'm going to dedicate this one to Red. And if you're, and the Downunder cruisers, raw oysters. Redhead Riding Hood and the Downunder cruisers. Both great channels. If you're not connected with them, I highly recommend checking out their channel. Watch a video all the way through. Leave a meaningful comment about the video that you watched. And if you like what you see, hit that red S button below. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss every time they upload a video or do a live stream. And tell them I sent you. Sorry guys. But anyway, this is raw oysters right here.
It's on the can for you.
I did. I'm showing it right here. Ooh. Maybe hang on a minute. Let me get some. I gotta drink this juice down, people. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10, guys. Alright, guys. I'm getting ready to put some hot sauce in these. We'll try these with. Alright. Alright. Now please note that this is actually raw oysters from the raw fresh oysters from the Pacific Ocean. And I'm going to stir this up here. And now please note that these are fish oysters now. These aren't the Rocky Mountain oysters. There is a difference in between Rocky Mountain oysters and fish oysters. Alright guys, taste test, here we go. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10, guys. Yep, not bad. They're really tasty. So now I can say that I have actually had raw fish oysters, and I've also had them cooked. So I can actually eat them either way. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get off here and enjoy the rest of my raw fish oysters here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.